Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching food names in Sotho. Tiye, tiye. Tiye means tea. Coffee, coffee. Coffee means coffee. Kilapile, kilapile. Kilapile means I am hungry. Kinyorilwe, kinyorilwe. Kinyorilwe means I'm thirsty. Ki kgotsofetse, ki kgotsofetse. Ki kgotsofetse means I'm satisfied. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.